Okay, see, let us see more one question that also given in CBSE board exam. Here you see the question. The question is, solve the following equation. 1 by a plus b plus x equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x. So you have to solve this one. So here actually this is a little bit different question. We cannot apply a direct method. We have to simplify it, then we have to form the equation and then we have to solve it. So you see how to do this question. Solution. Let us see. 1 by a plus b plus x equal to 1 by a plus 1 by b plus 1 by x. Now let us transfer this side. 1 by a plus b plus x minus 1 by x, and this side will remain 1 by a plus 1 by b. So now let us take the LCM here. This to LCM. LCM will be a plus b plus x whole into x. LCM is this one. The LCM of this and this is this. Now the method is what? By this we have to divide this LCM. Definitely this and this will cancel. Will remain x with us. So you have to multiply x with this numerator. So definitely we will get x. Again by this we have to divide this. Then definitely this and this will cancel. This will remain. This we have to multiply with 1. So we have to multiply with 1. Then we get a plus b plus x. Then we should put a bracket because there is minus. Okay. Next let us take again LCM this side. It will be ab. So definitely it will be b plus a. Got my point? Okay. Next you see, multiply this ax plus bx plus x square. It will be x minus a minus b minus multiplying this one by minus. So it will be b plus a by ab. Definitely this and this cancel. Then what will remain here? Here it will remain ax plus bx plus x square. Minus common. Then it will be a plus b. It will be b plus a by ab. Now see, a plus b here given a plus b is not equal to 0. Not equal to 0 means it is non-zero. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever it may be. So we can cancel these two from both sides because these are non-zero. So if we cancel this one, what we get, you see now, we get this one as this implies that will remain here minus 1 by ax plus bx plus x square equal to 1 by ab. On cancelling a plus b from both sides, we will have now minus 1. Here will remain minus 1, here will remain 1. So now let us do the cross multiplication. If we do the cross multiplication, it will be ax plus bx plus x square equal to minus ab. Now write this one in standard form, ax plus bx, and let us transfer this one this side. It will be 0. Now between these two common x, so it will be x plus a. Between these two common b, so it will be x plus a equal to 0. Now x plus a, x plus b. So therefore either x plus a equal to 0 or x plus b equal to 0. This implies that x equal to minus a. This implies that x equal to minus b. Therefore solution are minus a comma minus b. Okay, next question you see, solve the equation 3 whole into 3x minus 1 by 2x plus 3 minus 2 whole into 2x plus 3 by 3x minus 1 equal to 5. We have to solve this equation. So here one thing is say is a different type of question, little bit given in board exam. 3x minus 1 by 2x plus 3, but here 2x plus 3 by 3x minus 1. This one is reciprocal of other. No? So if we consider this as suppose y, so definitely this will be 1 by y. So let y equal to 3x minus 1 by 2x plus 3. Therefore 1 by y equal to will be 2x plus 3 by 3x minus 1, and hence 3 whole into 3x minus 1 by 2x plus 3 by 3x minus 1 equal to 5, and this become 3 into y minus 2 into 1 by y, as we have got this. Now you see, so it will be 3y 2 by y equal to 5. This will be y. Take LCM as y, so definitely it will be 3y square, and it will be 2 equal to 5. Got it? Again you see, this I have taken as y, this will be 1 by y, so 3y, and this will be 2 by y equal to 5. Now let us take LCM. LCM, then it will be 3y square minus 2 equal to 5. This implies that on cross multiplication we get 3y square minus 2 equal to 5y. 3y square minus 2 equal to 5y. Now transfer this on this side, it will be 3y square minus 5y minus 2 equal to 0. Now let us do this middle term factorization. 3 2s are 6, and we can write this one as 6 minus 1 equal to 0. 6 minus 1 equal to 0. So it will be 3y square minus 6y minus plus y minus 2 equal to 0. This implies that 3y whole into y minus 2, 3y common, and here 1 common, so it will be y minus 2 equal to 0. So y minus 2 whole into 3y plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore either y minus 2 equal to 0 or 3y plus 1 equal to 0. This implies that y equal to 2, and this implies that y equal to 1, transferring this side minus and 3 divide. So we get the value of y as y equal to 2 and y equal to minus 1 by 3. But we need to find out the value of x. We need to find out the value of x. So in place of y, we will write down this. Here also we will write down this. Again we will calculate. Then let us see again. Let us see. Therefore, y means 3x minus 1 by 2x plus 3 equal to 2, and 3x minus 1 by 2x plus 3 equal to minus 1 by 3. Y means this one, again y means this one I am writing. Now let us do the cross multiplication. So it will be 4x plus 6 equal to 3x minus 1, and this one will be, let us consider this minus here. So 3 into this 9x minus 3 by minus 2x minus 3 by minus 1 by multiplying this. So it will be 4x minus 3x equal to minus 1 minus 6, imply that x equal to minus 7, and it will be 9x plus 2x. 9x plus 2x, it will be minus 3 and plus 3, this side then plus 3. So it will be 7x equal to 0. This implies that x equal to 0 by 7 equal to 0. Therefore x equal to minus 7, x equal to 0. These are the solution. Okay, dear children. Again you see some question. All these questions given in CBSE board exam. Now solve the following question by factorization method. Here 4x square minus 4ax plus a square minus b square equal to 0. 4x square minus 4a square x plus a to the power 4 minus b to the power 4 equal to 0. Next 4x square minus 2 whole into a square plus b square whole into x plus a square plus b square equal to 0. A square b square x square plus b square x minus a square x minus 1 equal to 0. So all these questions given in CBSE board exam. So I'll solve one by one. So see. First of all, see question number 1. See question number 1 first. 4x square minus 4ax plus a square minus b square equal to 0. So we are going to apply factorization method. This bracket is no need. Just we are removing the bracket. Now see, let us see these three terms. We can apply here one formula. See, a square. I can write this one as a square. This is one I can write whole square. So a square means a means 2x, b square b means a. So a square b square, I can write this one 2 into a into b. So you see this and this will become same. Got it? This and this become same, this and this become same, this and this become same. So that means this and this same only. So we got the formula here, a square minus 2ab plus b square. And this minus b square is there. So we can write this one as b square. So you see now this a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. This will be a minus b whole square. And this b square minus b square equal to 0. This implies that a square minus b square. A square minus b square means a plus b. A means this 2x minus a. B means b whole into a minus b equal to 0. A plus b whole into a minus b equal to 0. Now we can do either or. Let us do either or. Either 2x minus a plus b equal to 0 or 2x minus a minus b equal to 0. This implies that 2x equal to a minus b, and this implies that 2x equal to a plus b. So this implies that x equal to a minus b by 2, and this implies that x equal to a plus b by 2. Therefore solution are a minus b by 2 and a plus b by 2. So next you see, so this is one number. Let us see now two number. So see how to do two number. Two number given. Question number 2. It is given 4x square minus 4a square x, and this remove this bracket. We can write this one equal to 0. So again you see similarly here also we can use the formula. I can write this one as a square. I can write this one as b square minus 2 into a into b. A means 2x, b means a square. So 2 into a into b. So if we write here 2 into a into b, definitely this and this become same. So here is what we got. This and this same, this and this same, this and this same. So this together a formula a minus b whole square, and this b to the power 4 means I can write b square whole square. So this implies that 2x minus a square whole square, a minus b whole square, and this one will be b square whole square equal to 0. Now a square minus b square, it will be a plus b whole into a minus b equal to 0. Now a square minus b square equal to a plus b whole into a minus b. Now again let us do either or. See, either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. Therefore, either 2x minus a square plus b square equal to 0 or 2x minus a square minus b square equal to 0. Either or we get this 2x minus a square plus b square equal to 0. Either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. Now transfer all this that side, we get 2x equal to a square minus b square. This implies that x equal to a square minus b square by 2. Here 2x equal to a square plus b square. This implies that x equal to a square plus b square by 2. Therefore solution are a square minus b square by 2 comma a square plus b square by 2. Next question you see, question number 3. Question number 3. Let us see question number 3. Question number 3 you see. Question number 3 given 4x square 4x square minus 2 whole into a square plus b square whole into x, a square b square equal to 0. Now you have to apply your factorization formula. So these are little bit different question. You cannot do directly middle term factorization or something else. Sometimes we can do middle term factorization also, but we have to observe it very carefully. So see what I can do now. See, I can write this one 4x square 2a square x multiplying this plus minus minus 2b square x plus a square b square equal to 0. Got it? Just multiplying this. Now between these two common is what? 2x common. So it will be 2x minus a square. It will be 2x minus a square. Again you multiply, you see, it will be definitely this. Again between these two common will be b square. So minus minus plus 2x minus plus minus a square equal to 0. This implies that we get this one as 2x minus a whole square whole into 2x minus b whole square equal to 0. Got it? 2x minus a whole square whole into 2x minus b whole square equal to 0. Therefore either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0. Therefore we can say, therefore either 2x minus a square equal to 0 or 2x minus b square equal to 0. 2x minus a square equal to 0 or 2x minus b square equal to 0. This implies that 2x equal to a square. This implies that x equal to a square by 2. Again, this implies that here 2x equal to b square. This implies that x equal to b square by 2. Therefore, solution are a square by 2, comma b square by 2. So these are the solutions. Now you see question number 4. Question number 4 you see. Question number 4 given. So you can use here directly question number 4 here. See, it is very simple. Take b square x common between these two. So will remain here a square x, here will remain plus 1. Okay. Next between these two minus 1 common. So we get minus minus plus a square x minus minus plus 1 equal to 0. This implies that a square plus 1 whole into b square x minus 1 equal to 0. Therefore either a square x plus 1 equal to 0 or b square x minus 1 equal to 0. This implies that a square x equal to minus 1, and this implies that x equal to minus 1 by a square. This implies that b square x equal to 1, and this implies that x equal to 1 by b square. Therefore solution are 1 by a square minus 1 by a square comma 1 by b square. These are the solution. Okay, see, so this question left for you. Try at home. If you cannot, then you contact me. First one, 1 by 2a plus b plus 2x equal to 1 by 2a plus 1 by b plus 1 by 2x. This given CBSE 2013. Next question, 3 whole into 7x plus 1 by 5x minus 3 minus 4 whole into 5x minus 3 by 7x plus 1 equal to 11. X is not equal to 3 by 5 and not equal to minus 1 by 7. Next question, 9x square minus 9 whole into a plus b into x plus 2a square plus 5ab plus 2b square equal to 0. These 3 questions left for you. You will try at home yourself. And this question also given in 2014 in exam. This also given in 2014, CBSE 2014. So you will try this question at home. So this is left for you. Okay, thank you.